How to turn on or turn off auto transcribe voice recordings on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone application. Next tap on the menu button at the top. Then go down and tap on settings. In call settings, we then go down and tap on record calls. Then tap on transcript assist. Next, go down and tap on auto transcribe voice recordings. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off, switch it on. And that's it. If you want, you can also change the transcription language. And here you can choose English Australia, English United States, Korean, and so on. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.